guys, if you like toys, then you clicked on the right video. Because we're at the New York Toy Fair 2026. Woo!
Toy Fair, Toy Fair, Toy Fair, Toy Fair. You never know what you're gonna see. At Toy Fair, Toy Fair, it's time to play with me.
This is where the world's biggest toy companies and toy makers reveal the next must-have toys from around the world, all under one roof, including ones from the amazing digital circus, which I am dressed up as today.
Plus, taking you around Toy Fair today are some of the select members of the Zigazoo Kids Teen app who have come here today from around the country and will be on a mission to find the coolest, craziest, and most fun toys at this year's event.
From action figures, fashion dolls, cool games, pop culture collectibles, and more, we're checking it all out.
And who knows what other surprises we'll see inside.
Well guys, it's toy time.
Let's go out there and have some fun.
Yay!
Okay guys, we are here at the first morning of Toy Fair. They are about to do the ribbon cutting and all the characters and the band are coming up to have this celebration of the ribbon cutting.
Everybody is so excited. So I remember last year's Stitch for like the new Stitch movie was like really popular. But this year, like, what is the most popular thing? Kind of like the Stitch, but this year.
You know, last year I couldn't get away from Stitch. Every time I turned around, I think Stitch was like creeping up behind me. And then I'd look ahead and Stitch was right there too. So Stitch was everywhere. This year, I don't think that there's a breakout character yet, but some of the stuff I'm excited about with movie toys. So Masters of the Universe, Mandalorian and Grogu. There's the Paw Patrol Dino movie coming out, Avengers Doomsday, Spider-Man Brand New Day. So if you like any of that, you're gonna get toys to go with it.
Yeah.
So I think that's a big year of movies, and that means a big year of toys.
Okay, so this is our sweet station. It helps you make dream chocolates and candy. Look at how cute these gummy bears are. Like, oh my God. And then my favorite thing about kinetic sand is how it flows. Like when you get your hands really in it, you can mold it up and it starts to flow. It's just so nice to touch. You know, it's like getting that sensory satisfaction going on.
They have K-pop Demon Hunters bracelets that you can make. It's a beading pen. Whoa, that's so cool.
So Patty's School, this is a brand from Epoch that we've introduced in the last year or so. So this is all about crafting fun with frosting. So we have a couple different sets, but the basic premise is that you take your frosting, you squeeze it onto the base, and then you accessorize it and let it harden.
We have Zip String. It's an amazing string launching toy. It launches a fuzzy loop of string in the air for all sorts of tricks. Now the wacky idea is this. What if I take our Zip String and I mount it onto your wrist so when you go like this, the string comes out. Hit it? That's the Zip String Arachna. You can do all the same Zip String tricks, except when you're done, it retracts magically back in the case. Turns you into your favorite superhero.
This, guys, is Butt Face, and it's just that. It's a butt with a face. But what's really cool about him is when you squeeze him, he farts. You keep holding it, he keeps farting. He needs to take a break, he rests, open him up, he'll fart some more. But you know what he does when he's done farting?
What?
He celebrates with his own little fart dance.
Oh yeah, get it, butt face. Does it come with toilet paper?
Toilet paper not provided.
We're at the Crazy Art booth and we're about to get a Snoopy snow cone. You put some ice cubes in and you get a snow cone out. Yum yum fun is what it's all about.
Thank you.
Hi, so I'm here with Michelle from Teddy Mountain. Could you tell me what's going on with the unicorns?
So we're having an event with our friends Unicorn Promi here, and so we're giving away a unicorn. If you come by and visit us, come see Promi, take a character picture, and we're stuffing our DIY unicorn and giving them away.
They're great. I just got my own stuff. I got a pink one. It was really nice.
So Gooey Gooey is beauty-inspired slime. So we have some really fun new news that's coming out in June. So we have our Fruit Glow Edit. We have 6 different slimes you can collect. Our new slimes are crunchy and gel. And what's really fun is we have beauty tools integrated into our slime this season. So there's prep tools to interact with your slime. We also have some fun new licenses that are launching in June. So we have fantastic K-pop demon hunters. We have a Sanrio range, which is amazing, and some really fun influencers like Salish Matter, Grace Williams, and Sydney Morgan.
Being here at Toy Fair because it is a chance for me to kind of bring out my younger self again. You know, toys are for everybody, but a lot of these brands I used to play with when I was little, for example, Melissa and Doug, Littlest Pet Shop, it is so much fun to be here and be with my little brother here and my dad. It's just fun.
I'm here with Jessica from the Caillou Cars. Can you tell us a little bit of your brand?
Yeah, of course. So Caillou is the #1 trading card and collectible company, and you can see we bring all the cards here. This wall has 400 cards from different 20 IPs that we work with across the world. As you can see, there's My Little Pony, SpongeBob, Tom and Jerry, any IP that you can imagine that a girl can want to collect and showcase your room.
So right now I'm with one of my favorite entire VR creators and YouTube creators, Jamie and Curly.
What's up, what's up?
I heard you have recently dropped out a new game.
Yes.
Can you tell us a little bit about that?
100%. So we just dropped Wizard. It's our brand new VR game from Curly Blue. It's an amazing game. It's #1 on the store right now. It's been doing really awesome. And you gotta play, bro. We gotta hook you up.
I need to.
Yes,
it's
for sure.
Oh my gosh.
Yes.
I think we should do a photo where we try to stretch the better butter across all of us. Oh, yeah? All right, ready? Let's start stretching. Stretch and pull, pass, stretch and pull and pass, stretch and pull and pass, stretch and pull and pass. Keep going, don't let it touch the ground. Stretch and pull and pass. Quick. Okay, I think we did pretty good.
This is Disney Stitch Many Moods Angel. She has over 50 reactions and sounds, just like the movie and the character that everybody knows and loves. She interacts with anything you do. You can even do fun stuff like turn her upside down. You see she's getting a little dizzy, and you can even rock her to sleep.
All right, guys, we are here with Alyssa from Culture Fly.
So we've grown a lot and we're doing a lot of collectibles. So we have our melts line, which are these popsicles. We have Plush for Dandy's World and a lot of different lines and form factors that are on our website and at retail.
Awesome. Why do you think the Taba squishies have exploded so much in the last year?
That's a really good question, Chase. I think it's because they're so satisfyingly sticky and gushy, and we've tried all kinds of different stuff with them.
Yeah.
I think that's why everyone likes them. And did you know we now you can make your own Taba squishies? What? Yeah, we have DIY kits. All right, you take one end, I'll take the other.
I did not mean to let go.
That's the second time someone's done that to me.
This is a Woof & Co. There are 6 different breeds of different dogs that are all in this beautiful doll format. They're 15 inches, fully posable, removable clothes, and the best part is you've got a golden retriever, you've got a poodle, you've got a shih tzu, you've got a French bulldog, you've got them all, and they all have their own unique fashions. Whether you want something that's a little bit more preppy, something a little bit more sporty, something a little bit more chic, there's a doll for everyone.
Hi Zigazooers, welcome to Tamagotchi booth. These are designed after our Tamagotchi characters from our different games. So this is Meowchi, Mamechi, Kuchipachi. They all have their own little names. They're very cute, cuddly.
Santa, what do you look for when you're at Toy Fair?
Well, I love creativity in toys. This is a very important thing when it comes time for making toys for Christmas. And there are lots of toys that you're going to see this year where we're using our hands and the toys are doing something. There's an action, there's an activity. That's a very important thing.
Well guys, that's gonna do it from the Toy Fair here in New York City.
We've seen some amazing toys and met some incredible creators.
We've had a whole lot of fun getting a sneak peek at what could be the next big thing.
And we can't wait to see them all in stores soon. And one thing's for sure, Toy Fair did not disappoint. It is truly where the next big ideas and creations in play come to life.
What toy in this video sparked your interest? Let us know in the comments below.
And while you're there, make sure to like, subscribe, and share this video with anyone you know who loves toys.
On the scene with the Zigazoo team, thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye!